Right, so we have task number 6, the navigation inside Burp Suite, the basics. In Burp Suite, the default navigation is primarily done through the top menu bars, which allows you to switch between modules and access various sub-tabs within each module. The sub-tabs appear in a second menu bar directly below the main menu bar. As you can see here, this is the main bar, and here is the sub bars that you can use. Here's how the navigation works. We have a module section. The top row of the menu bar displays the available modules in Burp Suite. You can click on each module to switch between them. For example, the Burp Proxy module is selected in the image below. As you can see here, let's jump inside there. This is the target module, intruder module, decoder module, and so on. This is proxy, like what we see here. Subtabs. If a selected module has multiple subtabs, they can be accessed through the second menu bar that appears directly below the main menu bar. These subtabs often contain module-specific settings and options. For example, in the image above, the proxy intercept subtab is selected within the Burp Proxy module. And yes, we intercept. So we selected exactly the same things as in this TryHackMe snapshot. 3 detection tabs. If you prefer to view multiple tabs separately, you can detach them into separate windows. To do this, go to Window Options in the application menu above the module selection bar. From there, choose the detached option and the selected tab will open in a separate window. The detached tabs can be reattached using the same method. So if we go here, we go to proxy, detach tab, boom, we have the proxy here. We go to collaborator, detach this, and we have three tabs, right? In order to place it back, I think we can reattach the tab. Yes, here we can reattach it, but I presume we can also restore. Also, you can restore default tab layouts. And yeah, I presume we can hide the tab. Yes, we can also hide them. Right? Awesome. Burp Suite also provides keyboard shortcuts for quick navigation to key tabs. By default, the following shortcuts are available. We see for the, let's say for the most used features, some shortcuts, but also you can go to settings, then user interface, hotkeys. And here you have all the shortcuts, right? Also, you can search them by, for instance, intruder, boom. There you go. Switch to intruder. Ctrl-Shift-I. Let's check here. Ctrl-Shift-I is for intruder tab, right? So Ctrl-Shift-D, you can see them. Ctrl-Shift-T, Ctrl-Shift-P, Ctrl-Shift-I, and R, right? For dashboard, target, proxy, intruder, and repeater. Answer the questions below. Which tab switches to by going Ctrl-Shift-P? Proxy tab.